Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Northeast Rider Domain ka balong ka kunhon kinong nya tuk na kaleng ki jila ka than chatay lamingi ka ri India ne ka singi khat artarik ujemang kala penbenapat ba bakan penlong ka First Northeast Auto Show 2018 Hamadan Pulo ka ban sedang naduk ka khat pratarik haduk ka arpau turik mentau benai. Ushashang Sharma, co-founder jang Northeast Rider Domain, ha ka jingyalang bat kilat patai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ulayatu ba ka jingtmu ban peni ka sapnya tuk ha kini ki laisingi kalong ban pha yau kurwo kubor sha kinong nya tuk ha ka jilla Meghalaya bat ha ki wei ki jilla jongani ka than chtai lamingi ba ka jing pen hair state yaki tuk kamdai ban long ha ki Surap bat ha ki lenti ki Singkien ndai ga dai ban long tang ha ki Lumpung jing Yakob. Ula ongru ba da ka jing penlong ya kane ka Lumpung kan la ru ban khring ya ki company bo pair na kalengari ban one play ya ki slem de tuk ha kane ka jalla.
Safe riding is also an issue because we have a lot of road accidents, road mishaps which shouldn't happen. So when we do this, when the riders see what actually riders outside, because we're getting Simranjeet and all these riders, so even us, we use a lot of safety gear, even for NERD. All our NERD members, like all of them, we've got approximately 50 members. All of us use very proper riding gear, like DOT approved, or say for a helmet or for boots or everything. It has to be approved by certain companies, like organizations. So these approvals are done, and we promote that, like riding with proper gear, riding properly, say following safety norms and everything. So this is a event like where we promote the entire brotherhood with proper rules. So we are here to advise not to race on streets, to do it on the track, on the racetrack, and how to ride on streets properly with gear. And with proper gear, a little accident can be avoided. And even if you do, you'll still survive with the proper gear.